We glorify your name, Adonai. You reign, and forever you will. Hello viewers, welcome to today's tutorial. Are you a piano player who is struggling to find the key of his singers? Or are you a learner who is learning and has difficulty in trying to find the key in which the singers are singing? Whether you are classically trained or you're playing by ear, if at all you're having challenge in trying to find out the key in which your singers are singing, then my advice is tune on up to the end of this particular tutorial, because today this tutorial is going to explain in details how to find the key of the singers in less than 3 seconds. If at all you are new to this channel, my name is Nick Piano. Welcome to the tutorial once again. Now, straight away to the tutorial. There are two significant points that I want to highlight as we start this. That we're trying to find the key of the singers, and there are two categories here. The first category is the category of the singers doing a song that you already know. So there is also the other category where the singers are singing a totally new song. So I want to take you through step-by-step procedure on how you can quickly, within less than 5 seconds, get the key in which the singers are singing in both categories. Remember, for those classically trained and are doing songs which are written on piece music, if the singers are doing the song in the key in which the song is written, then there is no need to worry. But even those who are doing the written pieces, there are times when the singers decide to sing in a different key, apart from the one in which the song is done. For instance, let's say the song is done in the key of D major, and then the singers decide that they want to sing the song in key E. Now, in such a case, again, this particular tutorial is very instrumental to you, because you still need to have that knowledge of how to quickly and accurately determine the key in which the singers are singing. So we are starting with the case where the singers are doing the song that you already know. Now, this is the trick. As soon as you get a signal, let's say they inform you that they want to do that particular song that you already know, or they start doing it. And as soon as they start doing the song, it is a song that you already know. Now, in such a case, you are supposed to quickly, and following this tutorial, it will be very easy. You quickly find the tonic. And when I talk of the tonic, I'm trying to find the home tone where the whole song finally comes to rest. Such that but just by listening, you'll hear that the singers have actually come to rest, or they have come home. That is normally the tonic or the do of that particular song. And to determine that is very easy. After just some few practice with the songs, it will be automatic. So the moment you found that tone, and that tone is one of the 12 notes of the keyboard. So that note will have to fall here. Nobody has ever sung in any note which is outside those particular 12. So normally, as a rule and practice, you'll find that most songs, and I'm not saying all of them, most of the songs will come home, or they will come to rest when the song is ended. So that means in most cases, this tonic that we are looking for, that will give us the key of the song, is normally at the end. But we have instances where the song comes to rest when they are starting at the beginning. But there are also songs where the tonic or the do or the rest or the point of rest, that settling point of the tones of the song, is in the middle. So in whichever the instance, please, I want you just to be attentive, because I'm going to highlight all of them. Now, we are talking about a song that you already know. So as soon as the singers start singing this song that you know, you are supposed to internally, you sing it very fast until you reach the part where it comes to rest. And as I've already highlighted, in most cases, this part where it comes to rest is normally at the end. So once you found that sound where the song comes to rest, then you hum it internally. And then that sound which is produced as you hum it, you come and you chromatically bring it to the keyboard. Let's say you start from the middle C here, so you try to hum it, and then you counter check which sound is going to coincide with what you are humming. When you do that, you'll realize that with practice, it will be possible to do that just within 2 seconds, and you will find it out. Like as at the introduction of this particular tutorial, you remember us doing this song, just the intro and the first verse of this song, which is done by this great Nigerian singer. His name is Elijah Olayade, and the song, I think, is, you know it, or if you do not know the song, is a simple song with a basic progression of 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, and then it just repeats like that. You remember what I was doing? Lord of wonders, Yahweh, we glorify your name, Adonai, you reign, and forever you will be our God. Now, let's say that is the song. So it is a song, let's say it is a song that I know, for instance. So when the singers give me a signal that they are going to do that song, they are going to sing that song, or I've heard them sing, they are singing the Lord of Wonders, now I quickly rush to the point where this song rests. Like in this song, it will rest at the point where I say, we bow to worship you. We bow to worship you, Lord of wonders, Yahweh. We glorify your name, Adonai. You reign, and forever you will be our God, Yahweh. We bow to worship you. So you hum that. We bow to worship you. So. So when you hum and you counter check it, you bow to worship. So I've already got it. It is in F sharp now. So with that now, you just quickly accompany your singers. What a wonder, Yahweh, glorify your name. Now, I hope you're following and getting how simple this is. And remember, I said that almost 99% of the songs, they will come to rest at the door. So when it is a song you know, please quickly move to that point where the song rests, get that sound, hum it, and quickly chromatically move on the keyboard, and you shall have perfectly gotten the key. Now, that is easier because that is a case of a song that you know. But what if the singers are singing a song that you are getting for the first time? You are on the keyboard and they are singing a song you have never heard. What do you do in such a case? Now, this calls for an extra layer of skills, and that is why I want you to be a little bit attentive to this. When the song is now new, you do not know which song and in which key they are doing it, so you'll have to be attentive. So here, it brings to the second point, training your ears to hear where the door is. Because in the first case, when it is a song that you already know, you know how it comes to rest. But in this second instance, so your ears need to be trained to hear when the singer's sound now comes to rest. And in most cases, you only need to listen to the first verse, the first one. So this calls for a little patience because it is a new song, you've never heard it. It is better to relax and get it right than fumble and start playing off key, because that will automatically distort and spoil out the whole presentation that is being done by the singers. So in such a case, as they start singing, you listen, and you listen very attentively. And the moment you hear them coming to rest, they are bringing the song home. It means they are now singing the do. You quickly take that sound, and in your head, the way we did with the song that you know, you quickly chromatically check it out in this trail of notes. We just do it in ascending order. And once you got it, you can try with the T. So T do, when it is almost ending, most songs will always end like T do, like that. So the moment you've checked it, then you can now play. So it means they will do the first verse in most cases, because most songs come to rest at the end of the verse. And as soon as they bring it to rest, you quickly find it out, so that as they go around, they do the second round. Maybe they are even at the bridge, or they are now repeating that particular verse. Then you have already found the key of your song, and off you are. You're actually singing, and you are moving on. So it is just as simple as such. Remember, this skill is very important. As I said, whether you are trained classically, there are instances where your singers will be singing in keys which are not the original keys where the songs are written. So in such a case, you find the note, and in this channel we are advocating that our singers be in a position to play in all the 12 keys. So let's say you found the song to be maybe in another key, like key A, then you go straight away and you start, and you just start playing there in your key A. Now, when you are playing by ear, then this is a must-do skill. And that is why I'm bringing this tutorial this early, so that those who are beginning to play the keyboard, you can start practicing this. And it is something that doesn't take days. It is just something that takes hours in your own practice time. So you practice it for a few hours. Maybe when it stretches to days, you'll realize you are already perfect.